Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a mobile photography challenge, which I've really wanted to do for a long time now. So I thought I'd take the opportunity today while I was doing a photo shoot in LA. This is our lovely model Anna today, and she's going to help us with this challenge. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video.
The phone that I used for this challenge was the Sony Xperia Z5, and it's actually my boyfriend's phone because my phone is currently not working. The settings that I used for this particular shoot were all on the default basic settings. I didn't use any filters or adjustments. I really wanted to keep this as challenging as possible. So the main challenges I really faced with this was particularly the distortion that the phone camera was creating, and also the lighting. I found the lighting really difficult to work with. So in photographing Anna for this challenge, I was trying to make sure that her head was around the center of the images, like this one here. And I found that that removed a lot of the distortion that was happening around the corners up the top and the bottom of the photos. So I really tried to position her in the middle. And I also tried to position her in the shade. You can see I was photographing her a lot of the time in the shady areas, under trees and near the bushes prior to this. And that was really helping to keep the lighting even. I found when I positioned her in full sunlight, sometimes the shots would look very overexposed and very, very white. Also, backlit didn't really work for me when I was trying to position Anna in backlit situations. It was causing a really, really dark silhouette and also a bit of a white glow in some of the images that really didn't help the look of the images. So that was one thing that I had to be very wary of. I also tried to pick as many creative backdrops as possible. I feel like that always adds to a photo, and when you have a little bit less quality, I feel, in certain cameras, that can kind of help distract a little bit from the quality of the images and draw your eye to something a little bit more interesting. I really enjoyed this challenge overall, as it's always fun to challenge yourself with as many limitations as you can think of and really see what you can come up with in the end.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please let me know what you want to see on my channel, put it in the comments section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!